guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shrishta and today I'm going to talk about my routine.
So as you all know that I do a lot of videos, and that's why I have to make different hairstyles. I have to use so many styling tools. I need to make new hairstyles. So because of that my hair get really damaged, and apart from this there is a lot of pollution outside, and I do go regularly for meetings, for shoots and different things. So a very good product came into my rescue, which is called Nude Carrot Seed Shampoo. So the best part about this shampoo is that carrot seeds are the natural powerhouse of vitamin A, alpha, beta, gamma, carotenes and carotenoids that provide shiny healthy hair and also protects from UV rays and pollution. So these are the two things which are my concerns in reducing stress and anxiety and gives a calming and relaxing feeling. Also reduces frizzy hair, repairs split ends, and the best part about this is it's suitable for all hair types. Also it's a unisex product, be it a girl or a guy can use this. So it's my go-to product.
And as you all know, carrot seed is something which gives your hair a proper moisture, a proper balance. Also is very effective against bacterial infections which tend to happen, and because of that we get dandruff. So it is amazing. In winters we all face dandruff issues. I personally face a lot of dandruff issues, and this is something which I have got and I'm really happy. Winter is here and I know my hair condition is really bad when it comes to winter. My scalp gets really itchy and it has a lot of dandruff issues once the winter is there. It is very good for split ends, fizziness and dandruff. As I mentioned before, it also soothes your itchy skin. So I guess it's a one solution for many problems. The last thing I would like to mention, the price, which I have not told you. The shampoo retails at 640 rupees and the conditioner retails at 610 rupees. It is not that expensive if we take a premium range in our consideration. The premium range shampoo starts from 1500 to 2000 or something, but it is very nominal. It's very pocket friendly, yet it's very effective and it's very premium. Let me talk about the packaging. The packaging is amazing. It's out of the world. I have never seen anything like this, the box like this. So the whatever the material is being used, it's really premium. You open the box, you get the bottle here. Also this literature is here about the shampoo. Also the one more thing which I want to talk about is this. So it's like a pouch where you can carry your shampoo. If you are traveling, you can carry it although it's very small in size, but most of the time it happens that the bottle spills or something like that. So this is the pouch in which you can carry your shampoo and conditioner. There are two different separate pouches, and this is of raincoat material, waterproof, so it won't spill or nothing. None of your clothes will get hampered due to this. So yeah, this is something which is really unique. I have never got anything like this in any other shampoo. So yes, thank you so much Nude for sending me these, and if you want to visit their website, it's nude.co.in. You can definitely visit. So yeah, that's all for the review and I hope you like it. It's not exactly a review but a kind of unboxing and one wash review. So thank you so much for watching my video and I hope you like it. Please subscribe me because I'm coming up with a new range of products from Nude next week, like in 5 days, and I hope that you will like it too because my skin is really loving it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe me, also to like this video, and if you want to buy the shampoo, the link is in my description box. Don't forget to check it, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.